So in this video, I'm going to show you how my client Abisai, software engineer, shed 17 pounds of body fat and doubled his energy levels in just under 3 months, all while working long hours at his desk, having busy schedule, and I'm going to show you step-by-step plan how you can do the same. So buckle up, pay attention, and let's dive into it. So meet Abisai, busy professional. He was software lead engineer in one of the biggest companies in Netherlands, and he's 35 years old. If you want to know more about Abisai and his journey process of us working together, you can go to check my YouTube channel. There's like a recent interview what we did about his success. So please watch it if you are interested. But yeah, let's dive into it. So before working with me, he was working long hours. He was like fatigued, overweight, higher body fat percentage. You can see like a lot of like this belly fat, love handles, right? Higher stress, anxiety levels because of the demanding work schedule he had, lack of knowledge. So he was still going to the gym, doing like long cardio sessions, doing intermittent fasting, restricting himself, and didn't see any results. And that's why he was here like feeling like kind of stuck in his journey. And that's why he decided to start working with me. After just 90 days, higher energy and focus levels, productivity was increased, higher work output at his work, sleep is better, lower body fat percentage, as you can see, is more educated, living more happy life because now he knows how to train even on busy schedules and just is in his best shape of his life, and this was only 90 days. We are still working with Abisai to this day, so he's even in better shape right now. So before and after, you can see, like definitely shred those love handles, increase his muscle mass. So before starting with us, he was dealing with slightly overweight, constant anxiety, poor sleep. So however, after working with us, feels healthier, more energetic, more focused than ever before. He has tools and knowledge, and the overall productivity and well-being is also increased. And not only Abisai has transformed his own health, there are plenty of tech guys just like you probably who has been throughout the same process. So do you want to achieve similar results like these guys? Because the process of how to become the healthiest version of yourself as a tech professional in 90 days or less has been proven by dozens of others just like you. And there's no person who watches this video who couldn't improve their health in the next 3 months with this health funnel. So after working with hundreds of tech professional clients over 2 years, I developed the 3 keys to become the healthiest version of yourself working this job in 90 days or less. And I'm gonna share them to you and how you can implement them right away also in your journey. So first is time efficient training system, because you work long hours, you don't want to spend 2 to 3 hours in the gym, you want to have them efficient. Also fast meal prep system. I don't want that you spend crazy amount of hours in the kitchen, cook every day different meals, waste your time. And also, of course, your energy levels. I want that you are increased, how higher productivity, get more things done in less time. So basically solution is body. So I make personalized training plans for every client of mine through our custom app designed specifically to their physique, fitness, and performance goal. The goal is to train smart and hard, and the objective is that our clients are in and out of the gym in 45 to 60 minutes. So this is our custom training app. You can see your own personalized exercises. So for example, maybe you have like a gym in your apartment, so you don't have availability of these one-size-fit training or plans, where they have different kind of exercises, but you are really limited. So I make really personalized, also help my clients review their training programs, and that's only for my clients. If you want to become my client, then book that health discovery health assessment right now. We can talk to see if it's a good fit or not. But anyway, if not, if you are here for free information, that's totally also okay. So here what we did, full body split with Abisai. So full body day 1, so push day, you can see barbell back squat, bench press. So this is the plan Abisai did. Yeah, you can like screenshot it right now and start working with this gym plan. It's pretty good gym plan. All you need, you can see 3 workouts per week, the workouts are 45 minutes, 50 minutes time, so 3 hours of your week maximum. And this is pretty good list, and why it's like push-pull, because you at the end of the week, you want to hit your each muscle group 2 to 3 times per week for muscle development, right? So this is really good split. So if you don't have a training split right now, screenshot this, go to the gym and do it right now. If you want more personalized, you can reach out to me also on Instagram or book that health discovery assessment. Also, common concerns about working out for tech guys is the belief that working out is too complicated, like it takes too much of time, frustrating also about not seeing noticeable progress despite regular workouts. So maybe you already go to the gym, do long cardio sessions, but it's not providing the results you want, and you have belief maybe I can do it on my own, and maybe you can do it, but a lot of people make mistake that, okay, I'm gonna go to the gym, or they already had tried in the past, but it didn't work out, because probably they can't keep themselves accountable or motivated, right? So my biggest job for my clients, software engineers, is keep them accountable, motivated, because they sometimes can't keep themselves, right? In reality, actually, you don't have to go to the gym every day and work out for 2 hours. Actually, to lose weight, you don't have to go to the gym at all. As long as you prioritize activities such as walks and being calorie deficit, you will see results. And most of my clients goes to the gym just 3 hours of their week. So my question for you, would it be possible for you? For sure it would be, right? So I designed this coaching system for busy desk professionals in mind. So for my clients as well, like I make sure that the plan is travel proof, the time efficient, as I said, 2 to 3 hours per week, and also bulletproof when life gets in the way. So we always make the adjustments, and that's why my clients has got these great results. Also, Andre, who lost 15 hours in 12 weeks, increased his performance to new heights, had brain fog before joining to us, and now energy levels, clarity is really increased and is incredible on a daily basis. Also, Abisai here, so before working with us, he was struggling with his training. As I said, he was on very restrictive diet with a lot of cardio, not structured gym plan. So the plan we provided was really personalized to him. I also shared with you what the plan looked like, so you can try it on your own, and maybe it works for you or maybe it doesn't. But also feels much more energy and productivity in his life throughout the 90 days. So my question for you, would it work for you? If you would have personalized a training plan that fits your current fitness levels and the gym or equipment that is available for you, it will be great, right? So now that you did this, learn about time efficient training system, and hopefully you screenshot that body workout. If you don't want to talk with me, don't want to invest in your health, you can try that full body workout on yourself, which if you do it for consistent time, at least for 8-12 weeks, you're gonna see great results without a doubt. So fast meal prep system is the next one. So with Abisai, as again, like he was on very restrictive diet, was doing intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, which is not satisfied at all. Actually it does things worse, because you are restricting yourself with a lot of calories. You are not hitting your protein intake, which leads, yes, to weight loss, but you also lose a lot of muscle mass, which leads to like not this toned body. It's like a lot of like fat and skin you still have it, because you lose muscle. So solution, I plan my clients, I plan them a personalized meal plan for every client of mine to make sure they reach their desired physique goals while ensuring their nutrition improves their energy and ability to work without any distractions such as tiredness, brain fog, and mood swings. And here, for example, we can see Abisai meal plans. So we work with our clients on our custom training app, where we provide them training plan, nutrition plan. But here you can see Abisai some couple meals. For me, it's hard now to provide you like with the specific meal plan, because I don't know you. I don't know how much you weigh, what's your activity levels. So for me to provide now a general plan, it would be like a disgrace, because I don't want to do that, because if you want a personalized plan, that book that health call below, or send me a message on Instagram. I would gladly also to help you, answer some questions you have. But basically you can see here a couple meals of Abisai that was fitting into his calories, build more muscle. As you can see, like 3,100 calorie targets for him to progress, and every person is different, and that, again, like for me, it's now hard to provide like a plan that would fit you, everyone, so I don't want to do that. But you can maybe take some inspiration, from these meals and try it on your own. But yeah, I designed this nutrition system with busy desk professionals in mind. So it's quick, high protein meal system to make sure you are not wasting time on intermittent fasting, 1 meal a day, or any other diets, like you eat out 3-4 meals, all are high protein. So not only you lose fat, but you build muscle. Also, I provide a guilt-free eating out. So my clients is not only on restrictive diet, they also still can enjoy life and go out and progress. And that's my main goal. And it fits everyone and anyone, I work with my clients from all around the world, different ethnicities, and some are vegetarians, vegans, or keto. Any diet can work as long as you are in your calorie range. So again, really super important to know your calorie range. So do you see how this could work for you? Would you be able to make 10-minute meals for yourself? Would you want to still eat out or eat your favorite foods because you have the knowledge on how to be in your calorie range? That would work, right? And for many of you watching this, this could be the only thing done. If done right, that could lead to the biggest change. So meet Curtis, who lost like 30 pounds in 12 weeks. Also here, Kuhn, who lost in 1 month like 10 pounds. Axel gained 8 kg of muscle mass. So for sure, it also would work for you, right? If you would have a personalized meal plan that fits your needs and preferences with easy 10-15 protein meals that are personalized to your calorie needs, have the knowledge how to eat out, or include your favorite foods, would you see how it could help you finally lose that 10, 20, 30 pounds? So now that you did this, we go for endless energy blueprint. So I want to tell you, first of all, it's your not desk-bound work. That's the problem. It's your schedule and lifestyle. So yes, you work 8 to 9 hours, but what do you do outside of work? Are you like sitting on your couch, spending a lot of time scrolling your social media, or you maybe better go like be more active, So be smart and stop being lazy. CEOs, entrepreneurs, and executives are way more busier, yet healthier than you, and they live a great life. If you would be concerned in the past that you can succeed with prioritizing both your work and health, then you're mistaken, because you can do it, and it will only do well to your work and your longevity. You just need the right system. Here, for example, also Michael, software engineer. So within first week, actually, he was very skeptical to joining the Fit Mindset system because he was in a challenging point in his life, but he took that leap of faith and gave it a try. And already in the first weeks, he felt really positive results in his energy. Not only you see body changes, but I think more importantly, how you feel. What are your energy levels? How happy you are in your day-to-day life? I think that's even bigger game changer. So solution is that we are also focusing on lifestyle. So sleep, we are making sure sleep is really improved. Supplementing for deficiencies, making sure we develop those good habits that allows you to become the best version of yourself. Environment, so good workspace, ergonomics for focus space, educating on healthy lifestyle, good work-life balance. So that's what we do in a Fit Mindset system, but I would also encourage you to also prioritize your sleep, have a more consistent sleep schedule. Go do like a blood test right now after you have watched this video to see are you missing some deficiencies, and it's also to do checkups as well, to prevent potential health issues. And of course, habits. I don't know what kind of habits you have right now, but always try to focus on inputs. So how many times you go to the gym per week, how much movement you get in your day-to-day life, right? And once you prioritize and focus on these inputs for longer periods of time, you're gonna see that your life changes. And environment, of course, like having like a standing desk, right? Maybe a portable treadmill, a walking pad that's gonna help you get more steps in your day-to-day life, and also increasing that knowledge, knowing what to eat, how to train, having good work-life balance that will only help you to become the best version of yourself. So you might think that health optimization is really complicated and takes a lot of time, but in reality, we actually save you time. So for example, client Abisai, software engineer, he did everything by himself, from cooking, eating not tried foods, working on low-level activities, was able to save 20 hours of his week when he implemented some of our stuff. So you can see like he was really happy with results. He has stronger body, but the most important thing he really felt in his day-to-day life, that his stress and anxiety levels were really low. And no more intermittent fasting, no more one meal a day. He was really satisfied with his meals, 3 or 4 meals a day, all high protein, learn how to balance and still enjoy his life, social events, It's not only that you know how to train, eat healthy, and you don't have life, right? That's not the goal. I think you should always enjoy life, and have the right system in place that you are able to do that. Also, Arturo, who went from 3 to 4 hours sleep, having an almost burnout, lack of focus, increased body weight, to 7-8 hours of sleep, staying in great shape, all while working 40 to 50 hour weeks. So this was the Fit Mindset System overview and how Abisai, my client, got in the best shape of his life. And I also provided you some details which you can implement it right now. You can also go to my Instagram or check my YouTube channel for more client wins, what I do and how can I help you. And if you want to know more, have a personalized health and fitness journey in your life, then book that Health Discovery Health Assessment right now. I'm going to make sure that we are right fit to each other and I can actually help you, and make you my next client success story. That's my main goal. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and I see you in the next video.